A hacker can break into your system in under 30 seconds. A cybersecurity pro can stop them in 10. But here's the real question. What separates a complete beginner from a world-class security expert? Today we're breaking down every level of cybersecurity from 0 to elite in just 5 minutes. Let's go. Level 1. You just heard the word cybersecurity and Googled it. Welcome. At this stage, you're learning the basics. What is a firewall, what is malware, and why you should never use password 123. You're getting familiar with terms like phishing, ransomware, VPNs, and two-factor authentication. Your first goal? Get the CompTIA IT Fundamentals plus ITF Plus certification. It's the entry point into the entire IT world. No experience needed. Or if you're security focused from day one, look at Google's Cybersecurity Professional Certificate on Coursera. Launched in 2023, it's beginner-friendly and highly respected. Tools you'll play with, antivirus software, password managers like Bitwarden, and basic network settings. Level 2, you know enough to be dangerous to yourself. But you're learning fast. Now you're studying networking fundamentals, IP addresses, DNS, TCP/IP protocols, subnets. You understand how data moves across the internet. This is where you earn your CompTIA A+ and CompTIA Network Plus certifications, two of the most in-demand entry-level certs in the industry. Then you level up to the crown jewel of entry-level security certs, CompTIA Security Plus, updated in 2024 with the SY0701 exam version, covering threat analysis, cryptography, identity management, and cloud security. At this level, you're landing roles like IT support specialist, junior security analyst, or help desk engineer. Average salary around $55,000 to $75,000 a year. Level 3. Now you're playing with fire. Carefully. You understand attack vectors, vulnerability scanning, SIEM tools like Splunk, and you're getting hands-on with Linux. You're pursuing certifications like CompTIA CISA+, the Cybersecurity Analyst, Cert Certified Ethical Hacker CEH, version 13 updated in 2024 by EC Council, now with AI-powered hacking modules eJPT by INE, a practical hands-on cert perfect for intermediate pen testers. You're working on platforms like TryHackMe and Hack the Box. You're not just reading about attacks, you're simulating them. Job titles: SOC Analyst, Vulnerability Analyst, Junior Penetration Tester. Salary range: $75,000 to $100,000. Level 4. You're the person companies call when something goes wrong. You specialize. Maybe it's cloud security, so you're getting your AWS Certified Security Specialty or Microsoft SC 900 and AZ 500 certs. Maybe it's offensive security, so you're grinding for the legendary OSCP. Offensive Security Certified Professional, one of the hardest, most respected certs in hacking. Or maybe it's governance and compliance. Enter CISM, Certified Information Security Manager, or CISA, Certified Information Systems Auditor, both by ISACA. You're deep into threat hunting, reverse engineering malware, and building incident response playbooks. You understand frameworks, MITRE ATT&CKEEK, NIST, and Zero Trust Architecture. Salary: $100,000 to $150,000 and climbing. Level 5. You are the threat model. This is where you find the CISSP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional. Offered by ISC2, updated in 2024, this is the gold standard. Getting it means you have years of real-world experience, deep knowledge across 8 security domains, and serious credibility in any room. Other elite certs at this level: GIAC, Security Expert, GSE. Only a few hundred people in the world hold this OSCP and OSED by offensive security. For advanced exploitation techniques, Certified Cloud Security Professional, CCSP. For cloud native security architects, your job titles include Security Architect, Red Team Lead, CISO in the making, Principal Security Engineer. You're not just defending systems, you're designing them from the ground up. Level 6. This level doesn't have a certification, because certifications can't teach what's here. We're talking about elite red teamers, zero-day researchers, threat intelligence analysts for governments, and the people who write the tools that everyone else uses. These are the folks at places like NSE, CISE, top-tier defense contractors, or elite private firms. Think CrowdStrike, Mandiant, or their own independent research boutiques. They're finding vulnerabilities in critical infrastructure, power grids, satellite systems, financial networks. They don't just understand cybersecurity, they shape it. If there's a CVE published today, there's a decent chance someone at this level found it. So there you have it. Every level of cybersecurity from beginner to elite. Here's the truth. Everyone starts at level 1. The people at level 6, they once googled what is malware too. Your roadmap is clear. Start with CompTIA security plus get hands-on with TryHackMe or Hack the Box. Specialize. Cloud, offensive or governance, chase OSCP or CISSP when you're ready. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing fields on the planet, with over 3.5 million unfilled jobs globally as of 2025. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly tech career content, and comment below. Which level are you at right now? See you in the next one.